shots with 3.
DJ against Kersey.
Vinnie puts up a 14-footer.
It's unbelievable, George, that shot. What guts? What guts? It's 92-90. The microwave scores with 0.7 seconds left in the game. I'm trying to keep my composure, too.
Who is the microwave? What's up, everybody? The Bad Boy Pistons won back-to-back titles in the end of the 80s, in large part due to Isaiah scoring, Joe Dumars' defense, Rodman's rebounding, along with the physicality of Bill Laimbeer and Rick Mahorn. When it comes to scoring, though, there was Vinnie Johnson, a.k.a. the microwave, meaning if you needed points in a hurry, he can heat up quickly. Johnson's greatness wasn't in how many points he scored, but how effectively he scored them. In a series-ending win against Boston in Game 6 of the 1988 Eastern Conference Final, Vinnie dropped 24 points on 15 shots. In Game 2 during the 1989 NBA Finals, he notched 19 points in under 20 minutes of playing time. In the 1990 Finals, after scoring 21 points on 70% shooting in a Game 3 win, Vinnie delivered a championship-clinching shot with 0.0 seconds left in Game 5, which solidified him as the microwave. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like it, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. I'm out.